We're going to learn how to reference using the Microsoft Word referencing tool. This tool is fantastic because it's so easy to use and it stores all of your references in a reference bank so that you can use them again and again if you need to. Today we will learn how to create a reference on Microsoft Word, how to insert a citation into your work, and how to create a bibliography. This will be very helpful for all of your future assignments. But first, when do we need to reference? We need to reference any time we use somebody else's ideas in our work. This includes quotes, data, and research. But why do we reference? We reference for 4 separate reasons. The first is to demonstrate to your reader that you're well read and you understand the topic that you are talking about. To give credit to the people whose ideas you are using in your assignment. To increase the reliability and validity of your work. And to direct your reader to further research should they need it. Now imagine I'm writing an assignment on the giant extinct ground sloths. I have my website here, theslothsanctuary.com, and I've read the information. The first step is to put this information into my own words, as I have done here. Now that it's in my own words, that's fantastic, but these are not my own ideas and it's not my own research, so I need to create a reference and cite where I got this information from. A citation, or cite, is a reference in the text to show where the information has come from. So to create my first reference for my information, we click up here at the top on the Reference tab, and we're looking at this box here that says Citations and Bibliography. Click on the Manage Sources button. Sources is just another word for references, so think of it as managing your references. So by clicking on that one, it's going to open this box here. On the left-hand side, you can see my master list. This has every reference that I've ever used in Microsoft Word stored there just in case I want to use it again. On the right-hand side, I've got my current list, and this has all the current references that I'm using in this document. You can see it's empty because I haven't added anything yet. We're going to click on the New button to create our new reference. And the first thing it's going to ask you is what type of source it is, or what type of reference. Is it an article? Is it a journal? Is it from a book? In my case, it's a website. Next, it's going to ask me who the author is. And in my case, mine's a corporate author. A corporate author means that it's a business, a company, or an organisation. Mine is the Sloth Sanctuary. Then it's going to ask you the name of the web page. This is normally at the top of the web page, and mine is the giant extinct ground sloth. The year that the website was written, in this case it was the year 2018, and I found this information at the bottom of the website. I accessed it in the year 2019. In the month of June, you can write the full word there, or you can just write the 6. And I accessed it on the day, the 26th. Now the URL is just the website address. So we're going to pop that in, slothsanctuary.com, about sloth, giant ground sloth. To finish up, I'm just going to click OK. And as you can see, that's put this reference over here in my current list for this document. You can also see down the bottom here, it gives you an example of what it looks like. So the citation here is the Sloth Sanctuary 2018, and the full bibliography entry is down the bottom here as well. We're just going to click Close. Now that we've created the reference, I'm back to my assignment and where I need to cite my work. So click up here, back to the Citations and Bibliography section, but we're going here to insert citation instead. We're clicking on this, and it's going to open a drop-down menu. Simply choose the citation that you want to include, and voila! There it is, my work cited for the Sloth Sanctuary 2018. Now that we've learned how to cite our work, we're going to have a little closer look at how to manage our sources. So go ahead and open the Manage Sources button again. And I want to get some of these references from my master list and bring them over to my current list so that I can use them in my assignment. Simply choose the one that I like so it's highlighted, click copy, and that's popped it over here onto my current list. I'm going to do that for a few more. Now if I've accidentally chosen one that I don't want on my assignment, for instance York Peninsula Tourism, I can click on it and delete it. And that will take it from my current list, so it's not on the assignment anymore, but it will leave it over here on my master list in case I want to use it again in the future. On my current list, you'll also see there's a little tick here. That little tick shows us that that reference has been used in the assignment. The other 3 do not have a tick because they have not been used in my assignment yet. Once we're happy with our current list, we can close that dialog box and go back to my theoretically finished assignment. It's time to include a bibliography. So first thing is you choose the style that you'd like it to be in. There are lots, as you can see, lots of different ways to reference. We'll be focusing on the Harvard referencing. To insert the bibliography, you click up here, creates a drop-down menu, and you can choose how you want your bibliography to be named. Bibliography, references, or works cited. Doesn't matter, they all mean the same thing. Once you choose the one that you like, that's going to create your bibliography, and that has all of your references with all of the information in the right order that you need for your bibliography.